Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word repercussion, its meaning, definition and the example. Repercussion. The definition of repercussion is an unintended consequence occurring sometime after an event or action. The synonyms of repercussion are consequence, outcome, result, effect. Now let me show the example of repercussion. Word in sentences are: changes in the industry had major repercussions for the local community. The pay cuts are likely to have serious repercussions on productivity. Human acts have repercussions far beyond the frontiers of the human world. After being put out, service has received very good market repercussion. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.